The following video is intended to explain and demonstrate how to operate our newly redesigned motor test system series. Our 100 plus years of high voltage and high power experience has led us to develop the most efficient motor test systems on the market today. They are known worldwide to be robust, reliable, and refined. In this video, we will be walking you through a detailed demo of operation of the MTS. Before powering on the MTS, ensure the test system and the motor under test are properly grounded. Attach the output cables to the motor under test, then attach the magnetic thermocouples to the motor and position the photo eye for the tachometer. Once the motor is connected to the MTS, attach any additional metering instruments required for testing. If data acquisition is required, connect your computer with integrated software to the controller using the Ethernet port prior to testing. Next, power on the MTS and the controller. Once powered on, be sure to check all interlocks and safety devices before initiating testing. Select the test mode based on what type of motor is being tested. The four types of motor supported are AC induction, AC synchronous, series wound DC, and shunt wound DC. For the purposes of this demonstration video, we're selecting AC induction as an example. Now it's time to initiate the test. After entering the overvoltage and overload settings, the simple and intuitive interface allows operators to easily raise and lower voltage, change voltage taps, reset any fault indicators, and in the DC modes, operate the field undercurrent override toggle. Note that the warning lamp located in clear view on top of the cabinet will turn on once any output is engaged for added safety to both the operator as well as others in the area. Measurements are displayed on the controller for physical measurement devices attached such as speed and temperature, as well as output voltage, current, and power factor. If at any point high voltage needs to be turned off immediately for safety reasons, the operator can push the large mushroom emergency off button located on the controller in a bright red color. Once the necessary information has been recorded, you can end testing by turning the system off. By using our included data acquisition software on almost any computer with an Ethernet port, the operator can record test data in real time and then export it to a CSV file. The motor can then be disconnected and the next test started. To recap, there are 5 main steps. Set up the motor testing area. Make appropriate connections and install physical measurement equipment. Be sure to test all safety devices and interlocks and ensure the test system and motor are properly grounded. Power on the test system and the controller. Initiate the test. Select which type of motor is being tested. Enter settings such as overvoltage and overload, then raise and lower the output voltage as needed. Record measurement data. This can later be saved and exported to CSV files using the data acquisition software. Turn off the system and remove the motor. Repeat these steps to test your next motor. Hipotronics MTS, a motor test system that's robust, reliable, and refined for every customer.